Nikon has just released the Nikon Z40mm f2, an almost nifty 50, or you can say nifty 40 lens to be precise. It's the most awaited affordable prime lens for Nikon lovers, as the Z series has been suffering from insufficient lenses. The new 40mm lens packs impressive features for both images and videos, while there are some downsides which you need to know if you're planning to get one. And in this video, we're going to discuss all the goods and bads of the Nikon Z40mm f2. So with that being said, let's get started. The first thing you're going to notice after getting the Nikon Z40mm f2 in your hands is its compactness. It's small enough to fit into your pocket. It's mostly made of plastic to keep the weight and cost minimal. With a weight just around 170 grams, you won't feel a thing while traveling with this lens. And the 40mm focal length offers quite a pleasing field of view experience, just like the same viewing angle we experience with our eyes. And as it is close to a 50mm lens, you can use it for landscape, street, and interior photography. This lens can also be used for candid shots and portraits. Apart from that, the lens offers a wider aperture of f2, opening possibilities for shooting stunning images and videos even in low-light situations. Now, let's see how this lens performs in different apertures. At f2, the lens offers a sharp image in the middle, but is somewhat softer around the edges. But as you increase the aperture to f4, the image looks much sharper even on the edges. However, as you get to f11 or beyond, the image starts to lose its sharpness because of diffraction. And with the wider aperture and 9-rounded aperture blade, this lens offers a dreamlike bokeh right out of the camera. Additionally, the lens comes with a stepping motor, which allows for an almost silent and fast autofocus experience. And, as you can see, the lens is also capable of shifting focus from one object to another quite rapidly. As for the videos, this lens performs adequately well. The sharpness is quite satisfactory, and the autofocus performance is also snappy. Moreover, this lens comes with minimal focus breathing and keeps the view almost the same while changing focus. However, the only thing that the lens lacks is optical image stabilization. But that might not be a big deal, as all the Z series full-frame cameras come with in-body image stabilization. Apart from that, this lens features two aspherical elements, which effectively reduces distortion and aberration. There is also a super integrated coating to curb flare and ghosting effect while shooting in brightly lit situations. However, the minimum focusing distance is about 29 centimeters, so you can't get too close to your subject. So that was all about the new Nikon Z40mm f2. Overall, it's an affordable, lightweight, and compact lens, packed with impressive features for both images and videos. Though a stabilization would make it a more appealing lens, considering the price point, it's one of the best options available in the market. So, what's your thought about the Nikon Z40mm f2? Let us know in the comment section.